Looking for the best fitness tracker you can use without a phone? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload high-quality product videos daily to help you choose the right gadgets with confidence. So today, we're breaking down the top fitness trackers that track your steps, heart rate, workouts, and more, even when your phone isn't around. Number 1. Garmin VivoActive 5 GPS Smartwatch. The Garmin VivoActive 5 is a comprehensive health and fitness smartwatch designed to enhance wellness management through an array of tracking features. It boasts a vibrant AMOLED display and a long battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode, making it practical for extended wear. Additionally, the VivoActive 5 supports over 30 indoor and GPS sports apps, catering to a wide range of activities from cycling to golf, and includes specialized features for wheelchair users like push and hand cycle tracking. Other notable features include automatic nap detection, stress tracking, menstrual and pregnancy tracking, and fitness age estimation, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to take control of their health and fitness. For those who like more massive models, you can pay attention to the previous model Garmin VivoActive 4. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Fitness Watch 6 without phone. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 stands out as a sophisticated fitness and health tracker designed to support a wide range of lifestyles. With its ability to track over 90 exercises including swimming and running, this watch keeps detailed records of workout durations, distances, and calories burned, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals. Sleep quality is another focal point of the Galaxy Watch 6, featuring advanced sleep coaching to help users cultivate healthier sleep patterns by monitoring stages like REM and deep sleep, and even detecting snoring. Additionally, the watch boasts a comprehensive body analysis tool using a BIA sensor, providing metrics on body fat, skeletal muscle, and more, enhancing the user's understanding of their physical health. For those who like a smaller screen, you can pay attention to the previous model, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Number 3. Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. The Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker is an advanced, multifaceted health and fitness device designed to cater to a wide range of wellness needs. It stands out with its ability to sync heart rate data with gym equipment via Bluetooth and includes over 40 exercise modes, complemented by a built-in GPS. For those interested in health monitoring, the Charge 6 offers cutting-edge heart rate sensors, ECG functionality, and irregular rhythm notifications, along with oxygen saturation, SpO2 monitoring. Its high-resolution, vibrant color touchscreen enhances user interaction, allowing for easy access to features like YouTube Music controls, Google Maps, and Google Wallet. The device supports essentials like calls, texts, and app notifications, ensuring you stay connected without having to reach for your phone. Number 4. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS 4 Mini Smartwatch is a versatile device designed for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness lovers. It features precise positioning with 5 satellite systems and water resistance up to 50 meters, making it ideal for swimming and outdoor activities. The watch includes Alexa for voice control, over 120 sports modes with smart recognition, and health monitoring capabilities like heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and stress level tracking. With the Zepp OS, it offers smooth operation and various mini apps. The smartwatch boasts a long battery life of up to 15 days on typical usage and 45 days on battery saver mode, plus a choice of over 50 watch faces. The Amazfit GTS 4 Mini Smartwatch excels in outdoor and fitness tracking with its precise satellite positioning and over 120 sports modes. Number 5. Garmin Approach S62 Premium Golf GPS Watch. Although Garmin Approach S62 is designed for hardcore golf players, the watch also obtained most of the fitness features of the top Garmin models. They are able to track your steps, running, cycling, skiing, snowboarding, stand-up paddleboarding, paddling, indoor training, and sleep. The device constantly measures heart rate and stress levels, and SpO2 functionality and body battery monitoring are also available. It comes preloaded with more than 41,000 full-color course view maps of golf courses. They help identify major hazards and hole layouts. AutoShot automatically meters the shot distances and records the data for further analysis. The battery life of Garmin Approach S62 is 14 days in smartwatch mode or 20 hours with GPS enabled. A model with a charging station in the kit is also available for purchase.